fighter, gentleman, lady, Philadelphia. Tell you what, it really feels good to be back here. It's a little overcast because I guess it's a sad day because the memories are going to be taken away. But time marches on, and this is all about progress. And memories are forever if they're done right. And I think there were a lot of memories that were done the right way inside the spectrum from 1967 to 2009. I'm really happy to be here to play a small role in the demolition ceremony, but I feel as though my contributions to the memories during the 11 years that I played in this spectrum were anything but small. Hopefully. I have a really good friend who lives here in Philadelphia, who is one of my son's godfather. His name is L.T. Brinkley. And it comes to mind something that he said to me a couple of years ago. He said, you know what the dash is? I remember there used to be a car that was called the Dash. And there used to be a race that was called the Dash. So I gave him a couple of definitions that just came from my mind, from my heart. And he said, no, he said, this one is the line that they put on the tombstone. Because they put your birth date and then your death date, and then in between there's a line. He said, that's the dash. He said, that's one of the most important things for you to dwell on and make sure that your dash is filled with all the things that you know you had the potential to do and the ability to do. So it was good food for thought. And as I looked at my career in the NBA, which was played all with the Philadelphia 76ers, there's a dash associated with that. 1976-77 season to 1986-87. And everything that happened in between is what the dash was all about.